Alright, so in this video, I will show you how to do clean camera tracking in Fusion. A test 3D text that actually stick to your shot. No overcomplicated stuff, just the exact workflow I use. Alright, so first of all select the clip that you want to track. Now let's jump into the Fusion page. And here, just search for camera tracker and add it. Once it's added, increase the threshold a bit and decrease the separation. This helps you get a more accurate track. If you want, you can also enable bidirectional. Now just click on auto track and let it analyze the clip. Once the tracking is done, go to the solve tab and hit solve. Now here the important part. If your solve error is below 0.5, that's when you have good tracking data. But if the solve error goes above 1, just slightly decrease the track error. What this does is, it highlights all the bad tracking points and simply delete them. Then solve again. And now it should work perfectly. After that, go to the export tab. Here select unalign. Then choose the track point you want to use. Click the set from selection and select align again, and then just export it. Now we don't need the camera track anymore, and we also don't need this extra node. We just need to connect everything simply. Add a 3D text, type your text and adjust the size. Then go to a transform and set the position and rotation. One important thing, don't touch the Z translation. Now the text is properly attached to the clip. Let's make the look more cinematic. Increase the text thickness. Then in the camera tracker, enable lighting and shadow. Add an ambient light, adjust the intensity, and then add the point light. If you press 1 on the merge 3D, the 3D view will open. Controls are simple. Alt plus middle mouse to rotate, Control plus scroll to zoom in and out, middle mouse to drag. Now just move the light in the sun direction using the transform node and change the color to something like sunlight. And yet, that's the final look. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, and because this series is just getting started, more effects and background coming soon.